The components required for this experiment are ESP32 board, DHT11 sensor, capacitive soil moisture sensor, connecting wires and connecting cable. Now log into the blynk.cloud website. Then go to developer zone. Here click on new template and give the template name as environment monitoring system. And select the hardware as ESP32 and connection type as Wi-Fi and click on the run button. Now go to setup data streams. Here click new data stream and select the virtual pin. Now enter the first data stream as soil moisture. Here select the pin as V0, data type as double and select the maximum value as 500. If you want, you can change this color. Now click on the create button. Now again go to new data stream, select virtual pin and here we can give the name as temperature. And pin is V1, data type is double and the maximum value is 100. The unit is Celsius. Click on the create button. Now the final one, again go to new data stream, select virtual pin and this one is humidity. Here the pin number is V2, data type is double. Here also the maximum value is 100 and select the unit as percentage. Click on the create button. Now go to the web dashboard menu. Here drag 3 gauge widgets. Now go to the settings of the first gauge and here choose the data stream as soil moisture and click save. Now go to the settings of the second gauge and here choose the data stream as temperature and click save. Now the final one, go to settings, here choose the data stream as humidity. Click save. Now we can save the template. Now go to devices, here click new device and then select from template and here we can see the template which we created. Now click on the create button. Now we got the template ID, template name and authentication token. Click this and copy those values and paste in the program. Now we need to upload the program. For that, go to this drop down. Here you can see the port will be selected automatically. Now click on this edit button and we can select the board. I am using ESP32 board, so select ESP32 dev module. Now click OK. Now click this upload button and upload the program. Now the program is successfully uploaded to the ESP32 board. In the program you can see I have mentioned two values, dry value and the wet value. Let me explain how to get this value. So I will place the program path in the video description. So you can see a file name called calibration. So to get those values, first upload this program to your ESP32 board. Then so you need to do all connections and upload this program first. Then you need to insert the capacitive soil sensor into the dry soil or leave the soil in air. So after that you will get a value in the serial monitor. So that will be your dry value. Now then you need to insert that sensor in the wet soil and at that time you will get another value. That value you need to place here. After that you need to upload this program to your ESP32 board. Now we can set up the Blynk mobile dashboard. For that, download the Blynk IoT application from the Play Store. Now once you open the application, you can see that same template which we created in the Blynk web dashboard. Now click on the template Now go to settings and click the plus icon from the bottom of the page, and here we need to add 3 gauge widgets. Now click on the first gauge and choose the data stream as soil moisture. Then go to design and give the title. Now go back and click the second gauge and choose the data stream as temperature. Go to design and here give the title as temperature. Now go back. Now click the third gauge and choose the data stream as humidity. Go to design and give the title. Now go back and again click the back button. Now the setup is completed and now we can check the output.